How to backup and restore task in Todoist. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can backup and restore your task in Todoist. Well, in order to backup, you can first access your Todoist either on the application or the web browser. As you can see, I'm on the web browser, that is app.todoist.com. Once you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then proceed to head into settings. Once under settings, you can see here the option that says backups. Now here, you'll need to upgrade your account in order to use the backup feature. Once you have upgraded it, you'll get the option to automatic backup, or you can proceed to backup manually through this option here where you'll get the option to backup the tasks. Similarly, if you want to restore certain tasks, right, you can head into your completed tabs and you can find all your completed tasks. Then you can proceed to undo it. Right, so you can click on it here. If you tap on three dots here, you can proceed to duplicate and you can see various options. So I'm on completed task here and I can restore it. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.